With Mobile Deposit, your device can act as your own personal bank teller. In the navigation menu, click Mobile Deposit. Click the Deposit a Check button. Select the account where you would like to deposit the check and enter the check amount. Be sure to endorse the back of the check and tap Check Front to activate your device's camera. Line up the front of the check in the window and tap the Take Photo button, then tap the Accept button. Next, tap Check Back and repeat the same steps to take a picture of the back of the check. Tap the Submit button when you are finished. While your deposit processes, you can monitor a check status or review details within Mobile Deposit. Tap the Options icon on a specific check to view further details.